equal to qs equal to square root of, this is 1, this is also equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos y cos x plus 2 sin y sin x. Sin y sin x. Or it is root 2 minus 2 cos y cos x 2 sin y sin x. From 1 PR equal to QS. That is square root of PR is here, see. 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y equal to root 2 minus 2 cos y cos x plus 2 sin y sin x. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y equal to 2 minus 2 cos y cos x plus 2 sin y sin x. Cancelling 2. Minus 2 cos of x plus y minus 2 cos y cos x plus 2 sin y sin x. Again cancelling, dividing throughout by dividing throughout by minus 2. Let me avoid that minus sign. So only we get cos of x plus y equal to, divided by minus 2 is over, cos y cos x divided by minus 2 minus sin y sin x. Or finally we got the formula. Cos of x plus y is, let me interchange it so that you can remember it. Cos x cos y minus here also sin x sin y. However, it is the product, no change. If you interchange, there will be no problem. So remember the formula is cos of x plus y cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. See the derivation correctly, clearly. Is it over? So, do the derivation 3 or 4 times at home without seeing the notebook. Just try to work out very important derivation. How to obtain cos of x plus y. Yes. Next, to find cos of x minus y. How to find cos of x minus y? That is nothing. In the formula, if you take y equal to minus y, you get the another formula. Put y equal to minus y in the formula for cos x plus y over. Cos x plus y formula, put to y equal to minus y. What to get? Let me write the formula. Cos x plus y first. Cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y. Put y equal to minus y. Cos of x minus y. Wherever you have y, put y equal to minus y. Cos x, cos of minus y. Sin x, sin of minus y. But cos x, cos of minus theta is cos theta. Sin x, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Let me write once again, no problem. Cos of minus theta, cos theta. Sin of minus theta, minus sin theta. Right? So, cos of x minus y formula will be cos x cos y minus into minus plus sin x sin y. Again one more formula, remember it. Cos of x plus y, now it is cos of x minus y. Compound angle formula, cos is obtained by using this formula. Now, let me take some simple problem on this so that the formula will be clear. Problems. Find cos of 75 degree. 75 degree. Find cos of 75 degree. Find cos of 75 degree. Cos 75 can be written as cos of 45 plus 30. Correct, no? 75 means 45 plus 30. Cos of x plus y. Let me write the formula so that we can remember that formula. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So, equal to cos 45 cos 30 minus sin 45 sin 30. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Or it is root 3 by root 2 into 2 can be written to root 2. Minus 1 by 2 root 2. Final answer is over. Cos 75 degree is this. Find cos 15. Find cos 15. Cos 15 equal to cos of 45 minus 30. Cos formula x plus y here it is x minus y. 45 minus 30. cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So it is cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 by root 2 sin 45 is 1 by root 2 sin 30 is 1 by 2. Here you get plus our final answer by 2 root 2. Third one. Find cos 105 degree. Cos 105 degree is cos of 60 plus 45. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos of x plus y, already I have written the formula here. Let me continue that. Cos 60 half, cos 45 1 by root 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 sin 45 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. Final answer will be cos 105 degree is 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Make the idea clear. Over. Problem number 4. If sin x equal to 3 by 5, sin x equal to 3 by 5, cos y equal to 5 by 13, both x and y are acute angles. Find cos of x plus y and cos of x minus y. Yes. Question is ready. Sin x given, cos y given, x and y are both acute angles given. You have to find cos x plus y, cos x minus y. Given sin x equal to 3 by 5, can you find cos x? Sin x is given, no cos x is given. Can you find cos x? Yes. Using this formula, 1 minus sin square x root of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square, 1 minus 9 by 25, 25 minus 9 by 25, 16 by 25, we got the value of this. Sin x, if it is 3 by 5, cos x is 4 by 5. Since no minus sign is required because it is in the first quadrant, acute angle, see. X and y are acute. And also cos y is given, see, cos y equal to 5 by 13. Can you find sin y? Can you find sin y? Yes. Root of 1 minus cos square y. 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square. 5 by 13 whole square. Root of 1 minus 25 by 169. Root of 169 minus 25 by 169 or 144 by 169. Square root is 12 by 13. 12 by 13. So sin x given, cos x you have calculated. Cos y given, you have calculated sin y. Actually, question is find cos of x plus y. Formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Fill up the values. Cos x 4 by 5. Cos y 5 by 13. Minus sin x 3 by 5. Sin y 12 by 13. Or it is 20 by 65. 4 into 5 20. 5 into 13 65. 3 into 12 36. 5 into 13 65. Common denominator 65. 20 minus 36 or final answer is minus 16 by 65. Over. Minus 16 by 65. Got the idea clear now? Sin x given, calculate cos x. Cos y given, find out sin y. Using sin x, sin y, cos x, cos y, calculate cos of x plus y. Again, one more question there. Cos of x minus y. It is very simple. Just only the change in the sign, that's all. Cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Only the sign changes. Everything remains the same. 4 by 5, 5 by 13 plus, not minus. 3 by 5 sin x, sin y is 12 by 13. Or it is 20 by 65, 36 by 65. 56 by 65. Don't cancel 5, 5, 6, 6. Cannot be done. Okay. So, answer is 56 by 65. Let me take one more example of the same type in order to make it understand it better. Problem number 4th one over, 5th one. If sin x is 8 by 17, sin y is 5 by 13. 5 by 13. Find both x and y are acute. Find cos x plus y and cos x minus y. Over. Same type of one more problem. Given sin x equal to 8 by 17. Therefore, cos x equal to root of 1 minus sin square x. Root of 1 minus 8 by 17 whole square. root of 1 minus 64 by 289. (289 minus 64 by 289). (5, 2, 2 by 289), or it is 15 by 17. 15 by 17. Sin x, cos x over. Again this one. From sin y, calculate cos y. Sin y equal to 5 by 13. 5 by 13. Therefore, cos y equal to root of 1 minus sin square y. Root of 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square. Root of 1 minus 25 by 169. Or it is 169 minus 25 by 169. Root of 4, 1. Remember, it is 12 by 13. After obtaining sin x, cos x, sin y, cos y, find a value. Cos of x plus y. Cos x, cos y, minus sin x, sin y. Cos x, 15 by 17. Cos y, 12 by 13. Sin x, 8 by 17. Sin y, 5 by 13. (180) divided by correct, no? 221. 130, 70, 21. 1, 12, 221. Correct. 180 divided by 221 minus 40 divided by 221. Our final answer is 140 by 221. 140 by 221. Cos of x plus y is cos of x plus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Instead of minus, now we have plus. 15 by 17, 12 by 13, 8 by 17 plus 5 by 13. Equal to 180 by 221 plus 40 by 221. 180 plus 40 divided by 221, or it is 0. 220 by 221. 220 divided by 221. So compound angle cos of x plus y, cos x minus y. We did different types of problems here. Let me give one or two problems as homework. If sin x equal to sin x equal to 1 by 2 cos y equal to 1 by 2. Find cos x minus y. If cos x equal to 4 by 5, sin y equal to 5 by 17, 15 by 17, 15 by 17. Find cos of x plus y. Enough. Try to work out these two problems. Let us see in the next session.